So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra. Let's discuss some questions related to different topics today. So the topic we are going to discuss is force. So let's start with the first question. The first question is dimension of force. So it is m1 l1 t minus 2. Next question is SI unit of force. So SI unit of force is Newton. Third question is CGS unit of force. CGS unit of force is Dian. Fourth question is ratio of Newton and Dian. So Newton is equal to 10 is to power 5 Dian. So the ratio is gonna be 10 is to power 5. Next question is Dian by Newton. So you just reverse this ratio. Answer will be 10 is to power minus 5. Then sixth question is which law defines force? So it is the first law of Newton which defines force. That force is something which can change the momentum of a body. Next is which law measures force? It is the second law which says that force is equal to a rate of change of linear momentum. Next is which law tells about nature of force? So this is the third law of Newton which says that action and reaction are equal and opposite. Next question is force scalar or vector? So it is a vector. Now let's start with question number 10. Question number 10 is about average force. The average force is rate of change of momentum per unit time, or average force is change in momentum per unit time. Instantaneous force is a differentiation of momentum with respect to time. And there is another way to write this as momentum is equals to m into v. So you apply chain rule over here and we get dm by dt into v plus m into dv by dt, which is extension of 11th question. So question may be asked in both the formats, so that's why I have compiled both the things. Next is special case when mass is constant. So if mass is constant, then dm by dt will be 0. So this term will be 0 and we'll be having m into dv by dt. Next, we know that dv by dt is equals to a, so we get force as m into a. Next, there is a graph of momentum and time. There are 3 points given, a, b and c, and angles are theta a, theta b and theta c respectively. And we are being asked that what is force at a. So you can see that at a, the angle made by the tangent with t axis is obtuse. So tan theta is negative. That means force will be negative, as we know that F is equal to dp by dt and it is equal to tan theta. So using that concept, at a you can see that theta a is obtuse. So force will be tan theta a, and since theta a is greater than 90, so tan theta a will be negative and hence force will be negative. Similarly, we can see that at b, theta b is equal to 0. So tan theta will be 0 and hence force will also be 0. However, if we refer to point C, we can see that theta c is less than 90. So that means tan of theta c will be positive. That means force will be positive. Now we are given another numerical type of question. Momentum time graph is given over here, and we just need to find what is momentum at 5 seconds. So as you can see in the graph, momentum at 5 seconds is this, which is 20 kg meter per second. So answer will be 20 kg meter per second. Then we are being asked momentum at 10 seconds. So as you can see in the graph, at t is equal to 10, the momentum is equal to 20 kg meter per second. So this is again equal to 20 kg meter per second. Next question is change in momentum during 0 to 5 seconds. So change in momentum is final momentum minus initial momentum, which is p5 minus p0, where p5 is momentum at 5, which is 20, and momentum at 0 we can see in the graph is 0. So the change here will be 20, so 20 kg meter per second. Then we are being asked average force during 0 to 5. So we know that average force is delta p by delta t. Delta p is 20, delta t is 5, so answer is 4 Newton over here. Next, we are being asked change in momentum during 5 seconds to 10 seconds. So that will be p10 minus p5. And as you can see in the graph that at 5 and at 10 second momentum is equal to 20. So that means change in momentum will be 0. Next question is, we are being asked average force during t is equal to 5 second to 10 second. So we know that average force is delta p by delta t, so that will be 0. Next question is momentum at 15 second. So as you can see in the graph, at 15 second the momentum is 0 as it cuts the t axis. So momentum at 15 second is 0. Next is average force during 0 to 15 second. So we can see that at 15 second as well as 0 second momentum is 0. So change in momentum will also be 0. Hence average force will also be 0 over here. So these are just worksheets and master question series basically on different topics, and the purpose of these worksheets are to develop the basic concepts of students and making their concepts crystal clear. During my study as a student preparing for JEE and during my working as a teacher in Kota and Delhi, I decoded that most of the students are unable to get good marks in exam because they have weak problem solving skills. Their basics are not that strong. So the entire process of cracking a competitive exam like JEE and NEET is about how sharp your problem solving skills is, which requires, the first thing is laser focus, second point is your speed, and third point is your accuracy. But these things can't be developed in a theoretical class. You need to put yourself to a lot of questions, to a lot of problems. Only then your mind brain system will be adapted to the high frequency brain waves, and then you will be able to develop sharp problem solving skills. So these videos are just made to instantiate, to make students learn from the very basics. So I have also introduced the concept of leveling, and basically leveling according to the progress. So we'll continue in these videos. This is the first level video of force. So questions are very simple, very fundamental, very basics. But gradually, if you are comfortable with this and you are able to absorb this worksheet 100%, then I'll be making videos of next level, then again next level, so as to give you an idea that how problem solving skills can be increased from level 0 to level infinite. So this is all my aspiration and vision behind making these videos. I hope these will work for you. Thank you and have a nice day.